This will be a speed test between the Razer Phone versus the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. Now both of these phones are very similar, starting with the aesthetics of both devices. Both have this square kind of design. Now the Razer phone's made out of metal, XZ Premium glass. Flipping them over, they both have front firing speakers. They both have the power button in a similar location, and both power buttons have the fingerprint scanner built in each of them. Sony XZ Premium does have a 4K display. Meanwhile, the Razer phone has a display that can go up to 120Hz. Let me know which display you'd rather have, 4K resolution or the super smooth 120Hz of the Razer phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Oh! Man, that was too close to call. I think that was a tie on boot up. You'd have to slow the video down to tell. And we are in! There's nothing in the background. So let's get started with the messaging app. That one is a tie, literally. The camera on both. And give this one to the XZ Premium. Calculator. Woo! So fast. Can't tell which one was faster. The clock? Give that to the Razer phone. The Play Store? And, I don't know, man. Another tie? Open this one. And we'll leave it on that page. eBay. And, I don't know. Another close one. We'll click on this. And leave it on that page. Amazon Shopping. Give that to the Razer phone. Click on the deal of the day and leave it here. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Razer phone. Speed test app. And give this to the Razer. Mario Run. Both are loading. And the Razer, just a tad faster on this, we'll tap to begin and stop the game. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. And the XZ Premium is out in front for this one. We'll play just a tad and close out the game. Subway Surf. And the XZ Premium, a tad faster on this one. Tap to play on both and close the game. Angry Birds 2. Razer phone ahead, but will the XZ Premium catch up? And the XZ Premium overtakes the Razer phone. Back and forth these two phones go, right at each other. We'll close out the game. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And which one's out in front? And very close, but maybe the Razer phone by literally half a split second. Twitter on both. And really close. And Snapchat. Razer phone. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both devices. Everything's in the background. Razer phone has 8 gigs of RAM. XZ Premium only has 4. So let's see how well the Premium can hang. Start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to play. Angry Birds 2. Ready to play. Subway Surf. Ready to resume. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume also. Mario Run. This game is resuming on the XZ Premium, and I think it's doing the same thing on the Razer phone. Yup, it's just running the game. Speed test app, still in RAM. Adobe Acrobat Reader, still in the memory. Amazon shopping, nice and fast on both, no reloading yet. eBay, and right in RAM on the Razer Phone. XZ Premium remembered what it was, but had to reload the picture. Play Store, still in RAM, right where we left it off. Clock on both. Ready to take time. Calculator, right on that calculation. Camera, and the messaging app. Both had to reload this one. Boom! So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Sony boy rocking your Sony Xperia XZ Premium with a 4K display and front-firing speakers? Or do you want to get on the highway to the Razer zone with a 120Hz display and front-firing speakers? This phone has the best speakers on the market right now. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.